children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to listen a story of a monkey. So let's start the story.
Monu was a monkey. Mickey and Minnie, the two naughty mouse, were his friends. They saw themselves in a mirror and enjoyed mirror play. They loved to drink milk in a mug and grow milk mustaches. They ate mangoes sitting on a mountain and looking at the moon. It was a friend's day out. Monu, Mickey and Minnie went to a magic show. The magician did a lot of magic using the magnets. On their way back, they saw a mongoose eating muffin. They went home to smell some delicacy. Mama was preparing mushroom masala. It was very appetizing. All the three friends, Monu, Mickey and Minnie, cleaned the floor using a mop. They sat on mat and rolled their hands on their tummy. Mother heard the sound as she started serving the yummy dinner.
So this was my story for you to introduce the letter M, whose pet name is Ma.
Now let's revise all the words which we did in the story, which was starting with Ma. Monu, the monkey. Mickey, Minnie, mirror. Milk, mug, mustaches. Mangoes, mountain, moon. Magic show, magician. Magnet, mongoose. Muffin, mummy. Mushroom masala. Mop, mat.
I hope you like this story, and now find out some more words which starts with M. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.